Another important about class diagrams is the multiplicity, which is all about numbers. Let's say that we have a visitor center. Then this visitor center would have a lobby and would have a bathroom. The relationship is clearly a composition. So the lobby would belong to a specific visitor center. The bathroom belongs to a specific visitor center or a specific building. But the question here is, how many lobbies exist in the visiting center? How many bathrooms exist in visitor center? This is the multiplicity. It specifies what we call in databases cardinality. In general, it's just number of elements. We would think, let's say we are designing based on the requirements, and each center will have only one lobby, but it will have at least one bathroom. Okay, so multiplicity come to express that as following. You see here this one, we read it as following: visitor center is composed of only one lobby. However, you see here the one asterisk. One asterisk means one or more. So this is like a visitor center is composed of one or more bathroom. If you know the exact number, say 4 bathrooms, you can say 4 bathrooms. If it's range like 2 to 4 bathrooms, you write here 2-4 bathrooms. So multiplicity starts to communicate this discounting over the relationships. There are different ways to write multiplicities. I would like you to read them very well. So if we wrote, for example, 5 or just 5, it means there are exactly 5 instances. Mn or some specific numbers mean there is some range here, like say 5 to 10, then 5 to 10. 0 asterisk means 0 or more. 0, 1 means no instances or 1 instance. Let's go back to the associations. There is also one interesting meaning here. There are 3 types of associations: one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one. In a one-to-one relationship, there is only one type of this class with this one type of this class. Let's say that you have a class for a citizen and class for a national ID. Each citizen has only a single one ID. On the other side, let's say there is a car and wheels. We know that one car has 4 wheels, so it is one-to-many relationship. A customer has, say, 3 bank accounts. Many-to-many, it could be like the student has courses and each course has students. When we come to code it, you will notice that there is a vector here for courses, vector here for students, and there is some common usage between the courses, for example, here and there. That's it.